All right, this is 1174 East, 3300 South, number 414. It is a two-bedroom, two-bath condo. As you can see, this is the front entryway from the front door. It's got two storage closets in the front entryway. If we come here and take a left, brings us into the dining area and the kitchen. Kitchen's got updated appliances, nice granite countertops, and a nice sink. There's a storage pantry here where the washer and dryer are. This is the front living room area here with a patio off the back with some great views. Down there you can see the pool for the complex. If we come back down here and go down the hallway, to our right is the first bedroom. Bedroom's got some nice paneling on the wall. A step-in closet. Furnace. If we come back out here into the hallway and take a left, brings us into the first bathroom. Nice granite countertop, shower, tub, and toilet. Here in the hallway is another storage closet. And then if we continue in here is the master bedroom. Master bedroom's got two nice big ceiling fans. Great view again. Pool area down there. And then this master bedroom has a big walk-in closet area. So you come in here, you have this closet space. Another closet here. And another one here. Off the back of the master bed is a very large master bathroom with dual sinks and granite countertops as well. Tub, sink, and shower. All right, so that is 1174 East, 3300 South, number 414.